Hi, it's Jared again with LearnToWinTrading.com. I wanted to share a little bit about my story and how I was introduced to the KISS system and how I learned to trade. First of all, I've got to show you this picture. This is me and my baby Roxy there. Love that dog. Wanted to show you this, give you a little picture of who I am. When all through college, I had been genuinely interested in trading and taken a few financial classes that have taught me a little bit of the basics, but I didn't really know where to go to really learn how to trade. So I felt, well, if I jump in with both feet, I'll learn as I go. So I opened a share builder's account and started buying stocks I felt would grow and had a good bit of short-term success. The frustrating part was that I couldn't figure out how to repeat that success. As hard as I tried, I started doing a lot of research, reading books, looking for articles and for information online, and became information overloaded. I burned out from all the information out there on learning how to trade, and decided to just put it on hold for a while. About 6 months after I'd stopped, a friend of mine called and started talking to me about a school he had just joined to learn how to trade. And he didn't really know that I had been interested in actually trading and learning to trade, and I had done some trading myself. It was just a coincidence, but I was so interested in what he was sharing with me that I started to do some research on KISS system. I ended up contacting Scott, and he taught me that with his system he can teach his students how to earn an average of 10% per day, or in many cases more than that. How to make money when the market goes up or down, and how valuable that can be in an economy like today. And how to do this trading usually less than an hour per day. Well, I was certainly interested, but a part of me was also skeptical, because when something sounds too good to be true, oftentimes it is. But I was curious, and I knew if this could work for others, then it could work for me. So I did some more thinking, talking to Scott. I saw it for my own eyes. When Scott did a demonstration for me, I knew that this could work. I had friends that I used as my resources and how they were doing, and decided this is something I wanted to do. I knew that I would put every effort I had into it to make it successful for me if others could also be successful. So I did, and I'm certainly glad I did. It's not easy. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme by any means. It takes time. Like any other profession, there is a learning curve. You have to study, you have to practice. And so I simulated for about 3-4 months before I actually went live trading real money. At that time, when I went live, I was only trading one contract, and it's a different ballgame when you go live because there's more emotion involved in it. This was my chart that I kind of graphed out in my first 90 days trading live, and my trading account grew nearly 40% in those first 90 days, that's extraordinary, really is. You can obviously see, though, when I first went live, I was kind of flat right here. Like I said, it's a different ball game when you go live. It puts more emotion into the game, and you've got to learn how to control that emotion. But it wasn't until, a lot of people I've talked to, a lot of the students of KISS say, after they go live, one day it just clicks for them. And you can obviously tell right here, it just started to click for me. I don't know really what it was, but I think that around this time, I had a couple of lucky days, and the next morning when I traded, I realized I'm not risking money that I've put into my trading account anymore. I'm only risking money I've made from trading. And it all of a sudden calmed my nerves, made me more relaxed, and I was more focused and more objective when I traded, which created a lot better results for me. And it's been going great ever since. I'm certainly glad that I found KISS system. KISS system is not the only strategy out there that works. There are hundreds of strategies out there. There are different strategies that fit different personalities better. You have to find one that fits you best. that fits your comfort level and that you can stick with. And KISS System certainly is that for me. If you have any questions about learning more about KISS System, please feel free to email me. I'll be happy to talk to you, and I hope to talk to you. So until then, have a wonderful day.